Welcome to the Bookkeeping for Farmers Using QuickBooks video series. This video was developed by the Center for Land-Based Learning with funding and support from California FarmLink and USDA Risk Management Agency. In this video, we will talk about how to import and modify the model chart of accounts developed by the Center for Land-Based Learning specifically for the small diversified farm. First of all, don't start setting up a new company. Once you've set up a new company, you will not be able to import the chart of accounts. Instead, you must restore a company from a backup, and that backup is the model chart of accounts. After restoring, you can go in and customize the company as you like. You can import your customer list from your old QuickBooks later if you have one. These are the steps we will take to import the chart of accounts. Download the QBB file from the Center for Land-Based Learning's website. Save the file to your hard drive. The desktop is an easy place to find it again. Open QuickBooks. Close other companies, if any are open. Restore the file as a new company. Here I have already imported the Farm Sole Proprietor QBB file that I've downloaded from the Center for Land-Based Learning's website. Now I have to open QuickBooks. I'm going to browse for that QBB file, which is in desktop, and here it is. You are opening a backup file. Opening a backup file will restore that file to a regular company file. Do you want to continue? Yes. Now we have to give this company file a name. I'm going to call my farm Beautiful Farm. You will name your farm, your own farm's name, and it's converted it. Your restored file name is Beautiful Farm QB 2019. It was converted from a backed up QuickBooks Windows files. Yes, I'm okay with that. Now we enter. QuickBooks wants to teach us how to use it. And here we are. And it should open up to a chart of accounts. Now your job is to look through this chart of accounts and decide which accounts will work for your specific farm. And I will show you how to work with them in the next segment. In order to modify the chart of accounts to suit your own business's needs, from the chart of accounts window, you can make an account active or inactive, delete an account, create a new account, or make an account a sub-account of another account. From the Chart of Accounts window, you can make accounts active or inactive, delete accounts, or add accounts. Let's make an account inactive. Say, for example, that you do not currently have payroll, but you think you will hire employees next year. So for now, you don't want to have to see that account, but you want to keep it for later. Let's make payroll inactive. We can make it active again when we start using it later. Find the account in Farming Costs, Farming Payroll. Go to the pencil icon. Select Account is inactive. OK. Notice that the account is grayed out. Notice also that the view mode is all accounts. We can view active accounts only, and that account will disappear. We can view inactive accounts, and we'll only see the accounts that are inactive, or all accounts, in which case the inactive accounts will be grayed out. This inactive mode is very useful if you have accounts that you have used in the past but you are no longer using, because QuickBooks does not allow you to delete accounts that contain transactions. In this case, you can just make that account inactive. Now, let's say that you know for certain that you will never ever have animals as part of your farm, so you don't need that account animal feed. To delete the account, find the account, go to Edit, Delete Account. Are you sure you want to delete the feed account? Yes, we are. The account will disappear. Note that if this account had contained any transactions, QuickBooks would not let you delete it. In this case, you would just make the account inactive. Now, say that you need a new account that is not on this list. For example, you are charged hefty farmers market stall fees and you want to track them in their own account. So, let's create this new account. Click the plus sign. Select the account type. Note that your account types are in the same old order as the chart of accounts: assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. Select expense. Assign a number here. The only open numbers are 7017 and 7021 and over. Let's pick 7017. Name your account, farmers market fees. Add a description if you like, and make sure to remember to make it a sub-account of marketing costs. Okay. And here we go. In the next video, we will show how to enter transactions in QuickBooks.